To know how to do SLO reports now. This is a very important part of teaching at Contra Costa College. If you don't do your SLO reports, you won't be asked to come back the next semester. So it's really important that you do this. For the Adjust program, we're just going to do it for every course at the end of the year. So I'm going to introduce you to the report itself and give you a template that I created, and then show you how you juxtapose the info from the course outline for your particular course. I would suggest that if you're teaching a certain number of courses, that you create the template for that and then save it, and then at the end of the semester all you have to do is fill in the information with your student data. So let's just look at this report real quick. This is the latest report. I've had to put in the department name. If you're an EMed instructor, you'd put in EMed here instead of Adjust. We're in the Lava division. Put the semester that you're doing the evaluation of that course. This is for Adjust 221. It's completed by me. So what I've done is I've taken from the course outline, and you may see this in a number of different ways. You may have access to a course outline or to actual another form that has a student learning objectives in it. We're working on a master list with DVC for Adjust, but pretty much we want to go with what's in CRICKyNet. So when in doubt, go to CRICKyNet and take a look. But in this case, I have 3 learning outcomes, student learning outcomes for this course. Analyze and evaluate evidence admissibility, and that's going to be done by embedded exam questions, and my goal is that 75% of the students will answer the embedded question correctly. Next one is apply proper use of Miranda and embedded exam questions. Here I'm also same thing, and then the last one is analyze and apply evidence law, and this is going to be done by developing case briefs. 75% of students will score 75% or higher on a shared rubric. So I'm taking these here, and I just basically cut and pasted these into each of these slots here. First SLO, second SLO, and the third SLO. And by doing that, I've prepared myself now. When I evaluate the course, in this case I haven't done it yet, I will put the results in here, and then I'll put down what I think I need to do to improve student completion rates on this, or raise their success rates, or whatever. So in most courses, you want to try to evaluate all the SLOs. Something might happen where you can't necessarily evaluate that one that semester, but that's okay. You just need to make sure you do it the next semester. Within 1 year, we need to have everything done. And I do not want to see more than 1 SLO missed during a semester, because that means that you're not teaching at the level we need you to and following the course outline. So once I do all this and I have my results, then I go down and I answer these questions. So what we'll be doing is meeting at the end of the semester really quickly, and we'll go through the courses and see what kind of issues you've had, and then we'll try to come up with strategies of what we need to do, either building a tutoring component or developing maybe an on-screen movie just like this to teach a certain component, making sure that faculty have the training and know what to do. If you've never done case briefs before, like for this, and you're teaching this course, you're in trouble unless you come see me for some training. So we need to set up some training and make sure that you get credit for that. Those sorts of things are really important, and but they're all part of the course, and this is all part of the course outline. So the college uses these to evaluate now. It's part of your evaluation, so you're going to be getting evaluation packets, and I'll ask you in there to explain to me how you're actually teaching these student learning outcomes, and at that point, we'll have some discussions about how you can make that happen. Okay, hopefully this helps you fill out that particular form for the end of this semester, and I'll be shipping you all blanks of this, so the actual blank itself looks like this. And it's empty, so when you look at it, it's empty, and you have to fill in the information. I will make sure that you have, or you should make sure that you have a copy of the course outline, the SLOs, before you teach any course. So just make sure you cover yourself. All right. Hopefully this helps you. If you have questions, play this again or ask me some questions, and I'll